we're going to look at logical operators. So I'm going to write a variable saying age equals 17. Then underneath it, I'm going to say print. Then inside of the brackets, I'm going to say age is greater than 10, which is true. And then I'm going to use the AND operator, and I'm going to say age is smaller than 20, which is also true. So when I run it, it should be true. Okay, now where it says AND, I'm going to change it to OR and change 17 to 7. So it should be true. The OR operator, as long as one of these is true, so age is larger than 10, that is false, and age is smaller than 20, that is true. As long as one of them is true, then the whole expression will be true. And now I'm going to take off this part. And then I'm going to run, then it will be false. Now I'm going to use the not operator and put it in front of age. Then it should make it true. So this operator, it makes a false Boolean expression true. Okay, let's recap. So today we learned the AND operator, which only has a true Boolean expression if all of them are true. And then we have the OR, which as long as one of them is true, the whole expression will be true. And then we have the NOT, which makes a false statement true.